Hello dear traders, today is the 28th of March, Thursday. Here's a new video review I have prepared for the InstaForex company. Today, the downward trading idea on the euro-dollar pair was worked out well. I think that most of you have already locked in profits. Before we consider this trading pair in detail, let us take a look at the news flow. Today, all eyes are turned to the GDP data from the United Kingdom and the United States. However, it's more important to focus on the US unemployment claims figures. Notably, on Friday, most countries will celebrate Good Friday. Meanwhile, the United States will issue data on the core PCE price index, personal spending, and some other reports that may cause a difficult market situation. On the trading chart, we see that gold continues to gain in value. I do not see any trading ideas. There are some downward targets, that is why it's better to wait for new swings. As I have already mentioned, the downward trading idea on the euro-dollar pair was worked out well. Traders might have received more than 600 pips. This is quite a good result. Notably, I do not think that the current decline will be long-lasting. Of course, it will be better if the trading instrument forms the third wave, thus moving upwards. It's too early to talk about this. There are some intermediate targets. Traders may find a swing low to enter the market. Nevertheless, it will be wise to monitor the asset's reaction to the expected GDP data. The Australian dollar is mirroring the euro-dollar movement. At present, I recommend taking the wait-and-see approach. The pound-dollar pair tested a swing high. Some traders managed to enter the market there. From a technical point of view, the euro is more attractive at the moment. The situation with the yen is very curious. Yesterday, the Bank of Japan raised its key short-term interest rate, thus launching the formation of the three-wave structure on the chart. The yen dropped from this year's peak of 151.89. In addition, the level acted as a peak of 2023. Although there is a swing, the price has not reached it yet. Any local drop in the greenback may cause a slump in the dollar-yen pair. As for the silver, I'm looking forward to closing long positions at the level of 30 USD, when the third wave of the three-wave structure is formed. For now, I'm going to stop there. Stay tuned for our next video review.